I'm going to be doing a maintenance coat on this old hut and Logstore. Now, the old coating had been on here for a very long time, and so we used a pressure washer to blast off all of the dirt, the algae, blasted off a lot of the old coating as well, left it to dry, and then had to use a power sander just to get rid of more of the old flaky coating that had been left on it. So I've already painted one coat of the Mercury onto the back and onto the left side. Those are going to be pretty well protected, so one coat's going to be absolutely fine, especially as the old coating wasn't too bad either. But on this side and on the roof, you're going to need full 2 coats for full exterior protection, especially with the roof, which is going to be very exposed to rain coming down, sitting on it, freezing, the sun shining on it. So minimum 2 coats for the roof. And you can see this first coat is really soaking into the timber. So it's going to give you a great first coat. And then when it's dry, in about an hour's time, I'm going to overpaint with the second coat. And the second coat just glides on top of this one and barely takes any time or paint at all. And make sure you get lots of paint in any of the nail holes and work the paint really well into all the grooves too. Right, so the first coat's nice and dry now, so it's time to crack on with the second.